want to tell you about one moment in my life. First, my family and I went to Jakarta because we want to spend our holiday in Jakarta. But one day we met online driver and he was so kind and friendly. He also told about he ever picked some people to went to Bandung, and it was interesting. My dad offered me to go to Bandung, and I said, of course I want to Bandung. Of course I want to go to Bandung. Then in that night we prepared our stuff for next day. In the next day we went to Bandung in early morning. When arrived, I saw Gedung Sate, that is iconic place in Bandung. And we also took some photos over there. After that, we took a break in Lansia Park. I saw so many lato-lato over there, and my sister and brother buy it because it looks so interesting. I also saw so many cars too, and we went with the yellow car. We went to around Bandung, and the guide tells about all, and the tour guide tell about Bandung. At the first, I saw White House that is for Dylan Film, and I also saw Rumah Tenang. That place has sad story, and we stopped our tour in Kulingan Food for ate some snack, and we back to our car because we want to went at Tangkuban to Tangkuban Perahu. Over there it was so cool, and I saw so many strawberry and then I saw so many strawberry and cardigan salad. I buy the pink cardigan because over there it was so cold. After that, at Tangkuban Perahu it was rain, and I bought some noodle to wait the rain. We took a shelter. After that, after rain, before go home, we took some photos, and we go home at house at 10 p.m. because to back to Jakarta we need 2 hours to back to Jakarta. That's why we go home early. I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay, so it was a story from your holiday with your family. You went to Jakarta and Bandung. So Tangkuban Perahu is in Bandung.
Yeah.
How was your feeling, or how was your impression? Impression? Kesan. How was your impression when you saw Tangkuban Perahu?
when I arrived at Tangkuban Perahu, I was so excited because I never go there and so many strawberry seller and I want to try the strawberry from Bandung. The film also so interesting and culinary over there also so yummy. It was yummy. Yeah.
What did you try? What food did you try in Bandung? Did you try seblak?
No,
Originally from there?
no, I don't. I forget the name. The name.
The name of the food that you tried?
Yeah.
Oh, is that like nasi tempong or nasi rames?
I think like that.
Something like that. Nasi kucing.
Yeah, like that.
I think nasi kucing is in Jakarta, in Angkringan.
I don't know.
Is it small portion? Was it in the small portion?
Yeah, maybe.
When did you visit Bandung? 2 years ago, 3 years ago?
When? 20.
In
23.
2023? After COVID, yeah.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Then I think if you go to outside of Bangka, it will be memorable. Like me, I still remember I visited Jogja in 2016 after graduating my school.
Yeah.
You forget?
Yeah.
How come so fresh 2023?
I forget it. I don't know the name.
You don't know the name of the food?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. How was your feeling when you, for the first time, visited Bandung?
I was so excited.
Excited.
Because
What makes you excited about Bandung?
that place, that city, is my wish list also to go there.
Why do you want to go to Bandung?
Because people say Bandung is so
Cold.
cold and but interesting.
You didn't find it out what is the interesting part of Bandung? Yeah, no.
In the road, that one also.
You find it out. What is the interesting part about Bandung?
No, from my TikTok.
TikTok. Why do you have TikTok in that year?
Yeah.
2023. Oh. Okay. I just have it nowadays, like 3 months ago, I think I had TikTok.
Yeah.
Okay. In what was the memorable part in your life beside you went to Bandung? Maybe your school, about your school, the first time you joined your junior high school, or your birthday celebration with your family. What was the most memorable thing again in your life?
When my grandfather birthday, I think.
Oh, your grandpa.
Yeah.
Grandpa's birthday. Why?
Because that is, I think, the
That
last.
is-
Because
That was.
My family. Maybe
That
that
was-
was last our my family.
That was
That was
our grandpa's family. What do you want to say?
my
Our family last gathering.
yeah.
Why? Where did you celebrate your grandpa's birthday? In Bangka or in outside Bangka?
In Bangka.
In Bangka.
Yeah, when New Year.
Huh?
New Year.
New Year.
Same the day.
Oh, same date with your grandpa's birthday.
Yeah.
1 January or 31 December?
1 January.
1 January. Okay. Why it was the last your family gathering?
Because like all.
In what year? I'm sorry, in what year is that?
I forget. When I was a kid, I think.
Oh, when you were kid.
Yeah, because now my family already busy with their
Activity.
activity.
I'm sorry to say, I'm sorry to ask, is your grandpa still alive?
Still.
Oh, still. I thought it was the last because there is no more again, your grandpa.
Yeah.
How about your grandma?
Same.
Oh, same. Is that the grandpa and grandma from your father or from your mom?
From my mother.
In here, in Bangka?
Yeah.
How about your dad's parents?
In Bangka also.
Oh, in Bangka. Oh, your dad is Bangkanese.
Yeah.
Your mom is Bangkanese.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Because mine is not. My mom is not Bangkanese. I thought mix also in. Okay. Yeah, give me question.
What do you think about Bangka when you go here? You live in
Jakarta at first.
Ah.
I was born and grew in in Jakarta.
What your first impression when you go to Bangka?
What was my first impression? Yeah, I went to Bangka. I visited Bangka when I was in elementary school student. I think it was in second grade. I think I still remember. I felt happy because as a kid, of course, we like to explore. We like to meet, to see new things. And last time, I think Bangka is really not narrow. I mean, like the house are far away from one house. Meanwhile, in Jakarta, the house is like this, like the GP's classes, like really close each other with the wall. So when I went to Bangka, I felt really spacious for the kid. Yeah, we can play gundu, you know gundu, kelereng. We can play that one everywhere, and we can play hide and seek. Even I ate cassava singkong. So the kid over there, they know how to bake it. So they bake it with wood, and then we ate together. And then there was no adult, there was no parents helping us. We did it by ourselves.
Yeah. One more. Yeah.
Again, give again the question.
What is your memorable when you was in Jakarta?
Memorable part of my life when I was in Jakarta. I think what in Jakarta, memorable thing. Oh, I see. When in Jakarta, I visited many things and many places like zoo and then study tour from the school. I think the most memorable part was study tour when I was in fifth grade. Fifth grade or no? Fifth grade. Let me remember my hair. Because I had study tour. Oh no! SMP. First grade of junior high school. So we had study tour. We visited museum like Monas and then Museum Fathahillah, Kota Tua, and I visited with my mom. My mom was very busy in Jakarta because she worked, and at the time she was able to accompany me to have study tour together. How about you? Do you have study tour in your school in Bangka?
When I was SD.
The easier, there was.
Yeah.
Where is your SD? When was your SD? Elementary school in Bangka.
Yeah, in Bangka.
Oh, in Bangka. What is it?
10.
Oh, SD 10. In Timah, inside Timah complex yang mana? Oh, I see. Where did you go?
We just go to Mentok.
Mentok?
To Museum Timah that one.
Oh, we have also in here museum.
Yeah. But I don't know why we go there. Also, we go to what the name? Soekarno and Hatta that one. Yeah.
Like, oh, I see. I didn't know that one.
That one.
Hmm. And then in SMP there's no in junior high school.
There's no.
I think for me in Bangka we have less historical places to visit and interesting places to visit also. Maybe if we have school farewell party, usually go to beach, something like that. And well, in Jakarta also same. We also visit beach and museum, same. Again,
If you can choose, you want to still at Jakarta or go to Batam?
if I can choose, there are so many considerations if I want to stay here or there. If in Jakarta, I don't like the traffic jam over there. If you want to go from Pangkal Pinang to Sungai Liat, for example, it only takes for about 20-30 minutes.
Yeah.
20 to 30 minutes. But if this one is Jakarta, Pangkal Pinang to Sungai Liat maybe 3 hours. That part I don't like it. But what I like in Jakarta, there are so many department store, malls. Because I like shopping, I like to visit, not fancy, I like to visit trendy and up-to-date places. In Bangka, meanwhile, in Bangka, we don't have that. We only have Transmart, which is just under average for me. But in Bangka, the positive one is there's no traffic jam, and then the pollution in here are also not really that bad as in Jakarta. And also in Jakarta, it's cheaper. The lifestyle also is not that high like Jakarta.
Yeah.
That one. So I need to consider many things. Maybe I will stay in Bangka. I choose Bangka, and then if I want to have holiday, just visit Jakarta. If I want to visit mall.
Yeah.
So for me, Bangka is the best place to live. First, we don't have to follow the fancy lifestyle like Jakarta, and then the pollution also better in here, and then there's no traffic jam.
Yeah.
Do you want to ask me again?
I think that.
Done? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's enough.
I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Askia.